Welcome back to yet another adventure in Sintoiya Lodge. This name basically means a beautiful lady. It is right inside National Park. You come through Kitengela to come here. What has brought us here is JiPOS implementation, just as you've been doing in many other hotels across Africa, across East Africa, and in Kenya. So welcome. As you do our training, you know that we do the very, very best. Everybody will have understood and you have come prepared for this activity. So come with us.
What you have to know: the expense type, the date of occurrence, the payment mode used, the reference, kama kuna transaction reference, the amount. And just as we said, kila form lazima kuwe na narration, sindio? Because that narration is very important. You don't want me to post a direct expense, then the manager comes and questions, he transport it for you. Apart from that, we have what these other reports that is found distinctively under section imeandikwa reports. So this is now the operational reports I was talking about. Now go tell you, operational reports are very key, and this is because they define what you have done on a day-to-day basis. Kama kuna mistakes, we easily spot it in the operational reports. Now these operational reports correct. Ama to identify a mistake and it is corrected, ultimately our administrative reports are possible. You don't have to struggle.
And finally, we are done with our first session of training. It has gone smoothly. We have done like one-on-one practicals, and we see everybody is understanding, and we have to do another one because we never get tired of training our people. So sit here, wait for us to continue. We're going to update you on anything that we do next. Now it's time to have lunch. And now we are done with eating lunch. The lunch was amazing. They cook amazing food, and this place is just the place to be. So currently we are going to do some one-on-one training. We speak to them, we see how they're doing, they're completing their tasks, and once we are done with that, we do a small briefing. As we show you around, you ought to know what is around here. They have a swimming pool and a lot of things. So keep here. We are showing you some more. Thank you. And finally, we are done with our training, with our practicals. The bar, the restaurant, the housekeeping, front office, they're all okay now. They're just doing 1, 2, 3 practicals so that they can go live. And currently, we're just here enjoying the beautiful view of National Park Nairobi.
We are all done. Wahenga na wahenguzi walivyosema hayati huwa. So that is a successful training, successful implementation. Just chilling, looking at the National Park, Nairobi National Park, that is, as you wait to get back to Nairobi itself. We've gone from this is manually written receipts or invoices, to this. And this is from, as you can see, from this.
promised earlier, we are going to show you around this place. We are going to show you a part of the accommodation area, and come with me as we see the rooms. They have quite a beautiful space. You can sit outside as you watch the flowers. And also, were you ready for such a big room? This room is huge, and this room is beautiful. Can you just see the seats over here and the table? You can just chill with your family. And we are not even done. Check out the bed and how it's set up. They also have an ottoman over there. And the lights, the place is just something else. And they have a very huge storage area. They also offer you a place to iron your clothes. And an iron. You're not ready. So the highlight of this space is this area. You have your showers and you have your washroom. Check out this massive space for a washroom. This can even be used by ladies to do their makeups and all that. You're given some beautiful, nice Indian soap. And lastly, come. You have an outside shower. And the best part of this shower is, it's a wall. You're not even worried if somebody is going to see you. And the best thing, they have plants. And I mean, if you're just showering outside, you're not scared. You're just amazed by nature inside the bathroom. And that's not basic. That is a huge part of this place. And I would like you to also come and visit this space. Come and visit Sintoiya in Kitengela. But you're passing through Kitengela inside Nairobi National Park. You cannot miss out this opportunity. I've just shown you the best of what they offer. And there's so much more. Come with family, come with friends, come with your neighbors and your villagers as well. Not least, they have a pool. And the best part about this is that they have a space over here. You can take your lunch, dinner, brunch, breakfast, you just name it. And the authenticity in the seats, you just have to come and see them for yourself. So this place, they have sunrest. You can come with your kids, you can come with family, you can come with friends, and you're not limited to anything because the places are very, very convenient for everybody. And you cannot miss an opportunity to come to Sintoiya. It is just within the Nairobi National Park. You're not only experiencing the beauty inside, you're experiencing the beauty even in the outside. So make a plan to come and visit Sintoiya. And welcome to Sintoiya Lodge.
On my side, I think the experience is good. The system it isn't hard, like the one which they were trying to install sometimes back. At least this one is self-explanatory. You don't have to use a lot of energy to hear when you're happy. At least there's a Kosava. The other thing, in a save time here now. In a save time, because in a speed up the operation. So far so good. At least Kosava, let me see. But the remaining part in kidogo tu ndio tunafanya leo. But the whole exercise has been good.
Great. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for that. Unless somebody else has maybe, yeah.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
For the teachers, we do appreciate so much. It has been a very successful moment for us and also for our team. We do appreciate that. We learned a lot. The system is so good, I can say that. Kulingana na what we have in the camp years back, this one is better. And I can tell our boss to put it to our camp over there.
We will.
Yeah, it's so good. It's smoothly. From the start to the end, you can see you're going smoothly, not stressing yourself, not stressing your body, your mind. It's something that is good, and we do appreciate it.
You guys have really impressed me particularly, because I've just been observing. So keep the positivity going, and from our side, we'll do the best we can to ensure that you don't get stuck along the way. This is Sintoiya Lodge, right inside Nairobi National Park. JiPOS brought us here and we're done. It's a good job, good reception, good people, good place. It is JiPOS for this place, and we continue occupying. We appreciate our customers for trusting our product. Keep it JiPOS.
And finally, we are done with the deployment of JiPOS at Sintoiya, right inside the national park. So keep it JiPOS. The next adventure should be in your hotel. For us, to you.